Just when you thought a 6.5-inch screen smartphone is big, I now have with me a 6.95-inch smartphone. Hello there, my name is Dominic and this is the Infinix Note 7. Other than the display, the other equally massive features are the storage and RAM values coming in at 64 GB and 4 GB respectively. This is the exact same smartphone that you saw on Unbox Therapy a few months ago. From the packaging over here, this smartphone has what is known as ether black color. We also have a gaming performance processor inside. So at the back we have a 48 megapixel quad camera setup over here, together with a quad flash setup. I'm impressed already. Over here we have the fingerprint scanner at the side. It seems like this also doubles up as the power button. Yes, it does. As the phone boots up, let us look at what else is inside the packaging. We have a customer service card, SIM ejector tool. Now at the end of this video, I'm going to take this photo out, take a few videos and photos so that we can see how it performs. We have a free screen protector over here with the punch hole at the top. We have a free clear phone case over here. Ready, the camera is up. I'm going to take this smartphone right after this, go out, take a few selfies, a few photos and a few videos and see how it performs. This phone can actually shoot 1080p videos at 30 frames per second. That is impressive. We are going to see how it performs. Now, the other things inside the box, we have a registration process from X Club. We have an Infinix hands-free headset over here, a thick micro USB cable, and the charger. This charger is what Infinix says over here is an 18 watt supercharge. Let's take a look at the SIM tray over here. This SIM tray can hold one SD card and 2 nano SIM cards. I will now set my fingerprint. Now I will do a full Infinix Note 7 screen recording video so that you can see what the user interface looks like as well as other features. So first of all, do we have the screen recorder application over here? I can't see it, but I believe it's here. Yes, we have the screen recorder over here. This is the camera application. That's the AI cam, and these are the picture sizes that we will see later. Now let us test the speed. First of all, the fingerprint scanner, very fast. Apps, they load even faster. But that's because this phone has 4 GB RAM. Now let us take a look at the speed and other features. The front camera is a 16 megapixel camera. We have a 48 megapixel quad camera setup up to the back. We have a 2 GHz Octa-Core processor. This, I guess, is very good for gaming. I will load some very heavy games later on in this video and you can see how it performs. A very impressive big battery. the 5000 mAh battery, the screen resolution being 720 by 1640, and of course this smartphone runs on Android 10. From the storage, the available space is 54 GB. At the bottom over here, we have the speaker, micro USB port, microphone, and 3.5mm audio jack. This side, only the SIM tray is available over here. At the top, nothing. At the back, the cameras and the flash. And this side, the power button, which also doubles up as the fingerprint scanner, and the volume buttons. Now, let us check if the front camera indeed has flash. This is the front camera, and that is the flash. I'm going to take a photo. So the flash is actually integrated into the screen. So let us check a few photos and videos that I took using the Infinix Note 7. I am now recording with the front camera, so even the front camera can record in 1080p. I am now recording with the 48 megapixel rear camera. It is a cloudy day with sunny intervals, and this is the quality of the picture. Now I am in a very dark room. I am recording this using the rear camera, and the flash is full on. You can see the quality of picture. It's very good. Now I am going to leave you with a video of me taking the super night photo. I know you can dismiss it as just another photo, but if you see this video, you are going to rethink whatever you know about super night. If you have any questions, just make sure you drop them in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.